Hello, we are the Billionaires, and this is our A3. Current AI chat systems store conversations in a linear timeline. When users return later, they have to scroll or remember exact keywords to find past information. This is time-consuming and disorientating. Integration among multiple chats for the same project is hard, thus users are unable to attain progressive learning. Our solution is using a memory web group that transforms conversations into structured interactable nodes that will work similarly to how the human mind uses semantic relationships to activate and encode information. These nodes allow for topic subdividing, filtering, and zooming. In this demonstration, we will be using the topic of planning a 5-day trip to China. First, we will show cluster generation. We will put into the chat, "Give me a detailed 5-day plan for Beijing." After the AI gives the structured responses, it will auto-generate a memory graph of the answers, showing categorization and visualization of the separate days. Instead of automatic grouping, it gives the user the option to choose whether or not and how they want the knowledge card clustered. By clicking yes, the system groups each of the day plans under folder Beijing 5-day. This tree diagram format allows users to easily locate topics and the extended info, allowing for easy editing with either dragging, comparing, or regenerating. If the user wanted to look more into one particular node, in this case day 1, you can click on the node and the chat log will respond, "What else would you like to know more about day 1? And you can ask something like, "I'd like to book a cool city tour," and it would recommend further options such as the Forbidden City with specific tour times. Secondly, we will show the slider functions. There's a slider to the left of the memory graph. If you drag the slider to an earlier chat, it will give you the option to erase the information that chat created. If you click yes, it will erase both the responses from the chat box and from the graph, going back to the most recent chat box generated next to the scroll button, which in this case is "What else would you like to know more about day 1? This helps with the organization/filtering of the chat logs and erasing unwanted information clutter, which is another issue people face and recall with these LLMs. You can then ask another question, such as, "What are some good transportations?" which will create new written responses and new subtopics in the graph. Thirdly, we will show off the memory web mode. If the user clicks the memory web mode in the top right corner, a keyword filter will pop up. You can click on the relevant content you would like, which in this case includes food, and the different trips in the itinerary. The chat box will confirm what you chose to prioritize and visualize the web of the prioritized topics and how they connect with each other. This allows users to integrate smoothly and continue to plan with minimal overlaps, efficient comparisons, and strong yet specific control in how and what they want to integrate. And here we have 5-day trip to Beijing and food in Chongqing as subtopics in trip to China.